So see, a group of friends were working on a student film. So they spent all their budget on equipment and prop. So whatever was the budget was on equipment and props. These were the two things where they spent the whole money. They spent $712 on equipment. So we know in on equipment, they on equipment they spent $712. 11% of total budget on props. 11% of the total budget is on props. We don't know how much is spent on equipment, but we know the total budget, the total thing is always 100%, right?
Right.
So what percentage is the equipment? That's the question. What?
89% is the equipment.
Correct. So the equipment is 89%. Now, we will have to analyze from the question what are they giving in terms of what. If the equipment percentage is given, it's all and equipment money are related. If prop percentage is given, prop money are related. But in this case, equipment money was given, props percentage was not given. Sorry, equipment money was given, equipment percentage was not given. So that's why we actually had to find out the equipment percentage. So over here, when we want to find out the equipment percentage, it has to be equated with equipment money only. Now you tell me if we want to have the total budget.
Oh,
We,
0.89 times 712.
Mm-mm. If we are doing that, it means we are doing 89% of the total budget equal to, oh, sorry, we are doing 89% of 712 is equal to total budget. That's not true. 712's 89% is something else. They are saying 89% of the total whole thing is 712. So this went wrong. They are saying 89% of the total is actually equal to $712. They are saying 712 spent on the equipment.
Is
Total
it
we don't
800? The total budget?
we will have to find out.
I
89.
found it out. So I divided both sides by x.
Both sides by x.
Yeah.
But why are we dividing both sides by x when there is 0.89 we have to remove?
Well, still, we could divide. Then it will be x alone.
Yeah. So if we are dividing 712 with 0.89, what do we get?
800.
So $800 was the total budget, out of which they purchased $712 equipment and the props were of the rest of the money.
Okay. I took a note of that.
Yeah. So always we have to equate the percentage of the same thing with the money of the same thing. Not
Uh,
percentage of something else, money with something else. That will won't give us the correct answer. Yeah.